Former Governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Sanusi has been reinstalled and reinstated as the 16th Emir of Kano after he was asked to vacate the throne 4 years ago. Sanusi was reinstalled on Friday despite court order asking the Kano state government to stop action. Videos have been posted online showing the reinstallment of the reinstated Emir Sanusi by Kano state government and presentation of reinstatement letter to the 16th Emir of Kano, Muhammad Sanusi II by Kano state governor, Abba Yusuf. Kano State Governor, Abba Yusuf had on Thursday evening stated via his social media handle that, after signing the new Kano Emirate Council law at Government House, Kano, today, I hereby announce the reinstatement of His Royal Highness Muhammadu Sanusi II as the Emir of Kano State, AKY. Governor Abba Yusuf, on Thursday, reinstated Sanusi Lamido as the Emir of Kano, 4 years after he was dethroned by a former governor of the state, Abdullahi Ganduje. Videos show traditional rulers, kingmakers, and other dignitaries were at the art chamber of the Kano State Government House where Sanusi received the letter of reinstatement. Kano Governor Abba Yusuf has assented the bill passed by the State Assembly into law, which reversed the Ganduje administration's creation of new emirates into law. There was earlier reports that operatives of the Department of State Services, DSS, have stormed the Kano State Emir's palace after the House of Assembly declared all emirate councils dissolved. In a quick reaction, the Department of State Services debunked the reports that their men stormed the palace of the Emir of Kano after the dissolution of the 5 emirate councils by the State Assembly on Thursday. The Department State Director, Muhammad Al-Hassan, in a statement described the report as untrue. He stated that no DSS operatives had been dispatched to the Emir's palace. He stated that the First Lady, Oluremi Tinubu, was visiting Kano on an assignment and was also scheduled to visit the Emir's palace but learned that the Emir was out of town, making her postpone the visit. We drafted our men as part of our schedules on the visit of the First Lady Oluremi Tinubu but learned that she was not going there and we withdrew our men, he added. Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf has reinstated Muhammadu Sanusi II as the Emir of Kano, overturning former Governor Ganduje's decision after the Kano State House of Assembly passed a new law consolidating the emirates back into one, under Sanusi's leadership. Governor Yusuf has given the current emirs, including Aminu Ado Bayero, 48 hours to vacate their positions and hand over all properties to the state's deputy governor. Some persons said the move aims to restore unity and cultural heritage in Kano, fulfilling Yusuf's campaign promises. The decision has sparked reactions, with some seeing it as a restoration of traditional structures and a response to Sanusi's supporters' long-standing grievances. We gathered that the reinstated Emir of Kano, Sanusi Lamido, had arrived at Kano State Government House to receive his letter of reinstatement before resuming duty as the new Emir. The new first-class Emir of the state was honored in a homecoming reception late Thursday. Lamido later on Friday morning went to the Africa House in Kano Government House for a mini-Doba ceremony which started around 10 a.m. He is expected to proceed to Nasarawa Emir's palace and from there, the Emir will lead the Muslim Jumat prayers on Friday at the Kano Central Mosque located at the palace in Kofa Kudu. The new law signed by Governor Abba Yusuf also abolished 4 emirates, Bichi, Gaya, Karayan, and Ranu. There was a court order which directed all parties involved to maintain status quo pending the determination of the suit filed by Sakin Dawaki Baba and Aminu Baba Danagudi on Thursday. Justice A.M. Liman of the Federal High Court granted leave to the plaintiff, applicant to issue and serve their concurrent originating motion, as well as all other court processes on the 6th defendant, IGP, in FCT Abuja and outside the jurisdiction of the Honorable Court. The defendants in the suit include the Kano State Government, the Kano State House of Assembly, the Speaker of the State Assembly, the Kano State Commissioner of Police, the Inspector General of Police, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, and the Department of State Services. Justice Liman ruled that, in view of the constitutional and jurisdictional issues apparent on the face of the application, parties shall address the court on SEM at the hearing of the Fundamental Rights application which is fixed for the 3rd of June, 2024. That in order to maintain the peace and security of the state, an interim injunction of this honorable court is granted restraining the respondents from enforcing, executing, implementing and operationalizing the Kano State Emirate Law Council repealed law. That parties are hereby ordered to maintain status quo of the passage and assent of the bill pending the hearing of the Fundamental Rights application. The judge adjourned the case to June 3, 2024, for hearing.
OsazuwaAkonedo, bringing you the news in a more digital way.